Good morning, children. So up to now we completed spell words now. So today we are going to be write classwork. In classwork question and answers we will write. Okay, in the question page, textbook page number 121. There the questions are there. In that first one, draw and mark the parts of a plant. So this is you have to draw the plant picture and parts also has to identify. For that you can refer textbook page number 117. In that you will be having the parts of a plant picture, so that you have to draw neatly and take color pencils and fill the colors also for that. Second, question number 2, draw and write about the two root systems. So in the two root system, draw and write is there, no? Further, after writing the question, textbook page number 118. In textbook page number 118, you will be having taproot and fibrous root. The two roots pictures are there, that you have to draw in the classwork, and after writing that, now what I am writing that you have to follow. Okay, write down question section 2, question and answers. Question and answers. Okay, question and answers. In that, first one will be the parts of a plant how to draw, and question number 2, first you have to draw the root systems. Two different types of roots are there, no? That you have to draw, and later you can continue the answer. Draw and write. Draw and write. Draw and write about the two root system. About the two root systems. About the two root systems. Okay. Now write the answer. First you have to draw the pictures of textbook page number 118. In page number 118, you will be having taproot and fibrous root pictures that you have to draw in the classwork. After drawing that, continue the answer. The roots play a very important role, in the growth of a plant. In the growth of a plant. Roots are of two main types. They are first one taproot and second one fibrous root. Okay, taproot and fibrous root. After writing that, you can write the side heading taproot. The primary root is thick. The primary root is thick and grows vertically downwards into the soil. full stop. It grows deep into the soil. Okay. Next, second one, fibrous root. Fibrous root. The primary root usually dies at an early stage. The primary root usually dies at an early stage. They do not grow deep. They do not grow deep into the soil. Okay. So this is about two different root systems. Copy it neatly. Next, question number 3. What are the functions of roots? Question number 3. What are the functions of roots? What are the functions of roots? Now write the answer. Point wise you can write children this one. Point number 1. Roots store food for the plant. Roots store food for the plant. Point number 2. Roots can prevent soil erosion. Next, third one, point number 3. Roots fix the plant to the soil firmly and prevent the plant from getting uprooted. Point number 4. Roots absorb water. And minerals from the soil, and send to the other parts of the plant, and send it to the other parts of the plant. These are the main functions of the roots. Write neatly. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Why are leaves called the food factories of a plant? Food factories of a plant. Why are leaves called the food factories of a plant? Now write down answer. Leaves are called the food factories of the plants because all the food for the plant is made here. Next, question number 5. Write a short note. Write a short note about how seeds grow into a new plant. Write a short note about how seeds grow into a new plant. Question number 5. Now write answer. The seeds have the baby plant in them. The seeds have the baby plant in them. When a seed gets enough air, water and sunlight, comma, the baby plant sprouts, the baby plant sprouts up, and when kept in the soil, grows into a new plant, Next, last question, question number 6. Write a note about the balance in nature. Question number 6. Write a note about the balance in nature. Right answer. Plants and animals are interdependent. Plants and animals are interdependent. So, comma, if trees are cut down, comma, there will be less oxygen. Full stop, not full stop, comma, less food for herbivores and less food for herbivores and less shelter for animals. If we hurt and kill animals, comma, there will be less carbon dioxide. There will be less carbon dioxide, and the soil will be less fertile. Stop. So we must plant more trees and protect our animals. By this we completed all 6 question answers. Question number 1, have to draw parts of the plant. Question number 2, before writing the answer, draw taproot and fibrous root, then continue write the answer. And remaining all as it is you have to copy it. And after writing 6 question answer, every day 3 answers have to learn, children, and out of that 1 is parts of the plant only. So remaining 5 question answers learn perfectly and write 1 time in the homework book.